Namaste, I am Priyanka Sharma, clinical educator at Antara Senior Care. Today we will demonstrate on the topic name hand washing. Now we will start with the definition of hand washing. Hand washing is one of the most important or effective way to prevent germs and bacteria. According to WHO, the theme is clean our hands to bring the people together and to maintain the importance of hand hygiene. According to that, now we will discuss the importance of hand hygiene. In our daily lives, we come in contact with lot of germs and bacteria. These germs can easily transfer to our hands, nose, mouth. So, hand washing is the only way to prevent from the infection. Hand washing prevent 30% of diarrhea and 20% of respiratory infection cases. But without hand washing, it can also leads to the infection, that is hospital acquired infection, and also create an infection in care home and care at home. So it is very essential for the nurses who work with the care home and care at home to maintain their hygiene and do a effective way of hand washing. So there are basically two terms. First one is hand washing and second one is hand rub. Hand rub we are doing when the sanitizer is available or when the soap and water is not available. Hand washing is done when soap and water is available. Now we will discuss the types of hand washing. So there are basically three types of hand washing. First one is medical hand washing. मेडिकल हैंड वॉशिंग हम तब करते हैं जब किसी पेशेंट के ऊपर कोई प्रोसीजर करना होता है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल कैनुलाइजेशन, फॉर एग्जाम्पल डायपर चेंज एटसेट्रा. सर्जिकल हैंड वॉशिंग which is done during the time of surgeries, but in care home, care at home we are not doing the surgeries, तो हम medical hand washing को ही follow करेंगे जिसकी टाइमिंग्स होती हैं 60 सेकेंड एंड सर्जिकल हैंड वॉशिंग की टाइमिंग्स होती हैं 3 to 5 मिनट्स. एक और स्टेप टाइप होती है दैट इज सोशल हैंड वॉशिंग. सो सोशल हैंड वॉशिंग वी आर डन इन द सोसाइटी ऑल्सो एंड द टाइमिंग्स इज 20 seconds. नाउ वी विल डिस्कस द स्टेप्स ऑफ हैंड वॉशिंग. सो let's start with the step. First step is palm to palm. This is our first step, palm to palm. We have to wash our hand like this. 1 2 3 4 5. Second step is palm and dorsum. So we have to clean our palm and back to palm, और इसको palm to dorsum भी बोल सकते हैं. And vice versa means same उसी तरह, but हम इसको step में count नहीं करेंगे. Third step is interlacing. So we have to clean our hands with the internal, this part of fingers. So this is the interlacing. Fourth step is interlocking. Before doing interlocking, we have to clean our knuckles also like this and like this. Fifth step is thumb rotation. We have to clean our thumb also and also clean this area. So same with this side. Sixth step is tip of the finger clockwise, anti-clockwise. Same clockwise, anti-clockwise. And the seventh step is hand to wrist. तो इस तरह से हम hand to wrist वाला step करेंगे. So these are the 7 steps of hand washing. Now we will discuss the 5 moments of hand hygiene. First of all, what is the meaning of moment? Moment means in which condition we should practice hand hygiene. So basically there are 5 moments of hand hygiene. First moment is before touching a patient. Patient को टच करने से पहले we should practice hand hygiene with the help of alcohol based hand sanitizer performing 7 steps. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Second moment is before any procedure. कोई भी प्रोसीजर करने से पहले जैसे कि कैनुलाइजेशन, राइल्स ट्यूब फीडिंग, राइल्स ट्यूब इंसर्शन, ट्रैकियोस्टमी केयर, सक्शनिंग, इन सभी प्रोसीजर को करने से पहले वी शुड प्रैक्टिस हैंड हाइजीन. थर्ड मोमेंट इज आफ्टर बॉडी फ्लूइड एक्सपोजर. बॉडी फ्लूइड एक्सपोजर मीन्स वॉमिटिंग. पेशेंट की वॉमिटिंग साफ करने के बाद वी शुड प्रैक्टिस हैंड हाइजीन. फोर्थ मोमेंट इज आफ्टर टचिंग अ पेशेंट. पेशेंट को टच करने के बाद वी शुड प्रैक्टिस हैंड हाइजीन. फिफ्थ मोमेंट इज आफ्टर टचिंग अ पेशेंट सराउंडिंग। पेशेंट के सराउंडिंग्स में कार्डियक टेबल, बेड, व्हीलचेयर, इन सभी चीजों को टच करने के बाद वी शुड प्रैक्टिस हैंड हाइजीन विद द हेल्प ऑफ अल्कोहल बेस्ड हैंड सैनिटाइजर। सो these are the 5 moments of hand hygiene. Today we have discussed about the definition of hand washing, difference between hand washing and hand rub, importance of hand washing, moments of hand hygiene and procedure of hand washing. Thank you.